Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Apple TV app how to change language. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you want to change the audio language in your Apple TV, then what you need to do is simply head over to the app, and then once you're inside there, select the episode or the series that you want to watch. Let me just select this one right here, and now once you are here on the video player, you'll be seeing the three dot icon right next to it. Then simply tap on it, and on tapping it you'll be provided with options like share episode, share show, playback speed, audio and subtitles. Simply select audio, and now here you'll be provided with bunch of options or languages that you can select from. Simply select the language that you want, and then the audio will be translated into the selected audio. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.